Hello everyone, how are you guys? I hope you are all doing well. I'm the English teacher Raz. Today we are doing an English grammar lesson about the second conditional. Okay guys, if you are ready, let's start. What's the second conditional? Second conditional is a structure used to talk about impossible or imaginary situation in the present or future. Kindly don't forget, we use second conditional to describe a situation in the present or future, not past. Okay? Let's see the example. If I had a lot of money, I would buy an expensive car. If I had a lot of money, I would buy an expensive car. This is an example of the second conditional, and it has two parts, the conditional and the result. So, as per the basic structure of conditional sentence, if the conditional is true, then the result happens. So, in reality, I don't have a lot of money. I'm not rich. I'm not that much rich. But I use the second conditional to imagine having a lot of money. I'm dreaming. This situation is not real. Okay, guys? It's just... Okay, let's go to the second part. Let's look at the form of the condition. The form of the conditional, we have if plus condition plus the result. I told you, each time you have two sentences, if condition and the result. If he knew her telephone number, comma, he would call her. This is the conditional, the first one. The second one is the result. And when we write it, there is always a comma after the conditional and before the result. Okay, it's very important, don't forget. I mean, if we have if conditional at the beginning of the sentence, we have to use comma. There is a comma after the conditional and before the result. And we can also change the order of the sentence. We can also have a result first, then if conditional followed by, result first followed by the if conditional. Let's see. We would call her if he knew her telephone number. Where is the comma? I'm not gonna use the comma. Why? Because I have result at the beginning of the sentence. We can say the same sentence with a different order. Okay, and when we write like that, don't forget again, I'm gonna tell you, which is very important, don't use comma. Okay, well, what does, I forgot to tell you about it. What does this sentence mean? In the present, he doesn't know her telephone number. It's impossible for him to call her. By using the second conditional, we are describing unreal situation. Unreal, not true. Okay, the rule of the sentence, conditional sentence, to form the second conditional, we use if first, and past simple tense. The sentence if conditional should be past simple plus subject plus would plus infinitive. What does infinitive mean? Infinitive means the main verb without ed, without ing, base form. Or we can change the order, which is subject plus would plus infinitive, then if plus past simple tense. Let's see the examples. If I had enough money, I would go and live in Roma. I would go and live in Roma if I had enough money. I hope you got it. Thanks for listening. See you soon, inshallah.